Hey everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to invite friends by SMS to Threads on Android. If you want to connect with your friends on Threads who are not already using the app, this tutorial is for you. In this video, we'll show you how to invite your friends by SMS to join you on Threads using just a few simple steps. Step 1. Log in to Threads. The first step is to open the Threads app on your Android phone and log in. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Access the settings next. Tap on your profile picture, which should be located at the bottom of the screen. This will open your profile page. From there, tap the two stacked lines in the upper right-hand corner to open the app's settings. Step 3. Follow and invite friends in the settings menu. Select the Follow and Invite Friends option. This will take you to a page where you can manage your Threads connections. Step 4. Invite friends by SMS. To invite your friends by SMS, select the Invite Friends by SMS option. This will give you two options. You can choose to use your phone's messaging app or messenger app. Step 5. Choose your messaging app. Choose the option that is most convenient for you. If you choose to use your phone's messaging app, Threads will open a new message with a pre-written invitation message. Simply enter your friends' phone numbers and send the message. If you choose to use Messenger, Threads will redirect you to the Messenger app, where you can select the friends you want to invite and send the invitation message. Step 6. Customize the invitation message. Customize the invitation message if you want to add a personal touch to your invitation. This is optional, but it can help encourage your friends to join you on Threads. Step 7. Send the invitation. Once you've customized the invitation message, if desired, tap on the Send button to send the invitation. This will direct your friends to the Threads app where they can download and create an account to connect with you. Conclusion? And that's it. You have successfully invited your friends by SMS to join you on Threads using just a few simple steps. Remember that your friends will need to download the app and create an account to connect with you on Threads. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any other questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.